Utah Valley is a wonderful place to live, learn, work, and play. Much of the vibrancy of this special place comes from you, the students, who choose to live here in pursuit of your higher education at one of our amazing institutions. As all our students in this valley live among each other, what happens to one of us happens to all of us. As such, my message is to all the students, and especially those attending UVU. We support you. We stand with you. You are loved, and your safety, well-being, and development as a student and a member of our community is at the center of all we do as university administrators, faculty, and staff. Do not let the horrific act of one troubled person define you or Utah Valley, but rather let it refine you and how we choose to see the world and engage with others, especially those who have a different perspective, belief, or passions. While we cannot avoid conflict, we can choose to avoid the cancer of contention by leaning into our conflicts to better understand and appreciate another's perspective. You don't have to agree with each other to respect, like, or love one another. And if you need help processing what you have or are experiencing, please talk to someone. The Beatles song said it well, all you need is love. So join us in turning the tide of contempt into a sea of compassion. Choose not to be offensive or to be offended. Choose to be kind, especially to the person who is alone and needs a friend. To all our students, especially those at UVU, we stand with you.
Dear UVU students, we, the faculty, staff, and students of the Nordic College of Osteopathic Medicine, reach out to you in solidarity and love. The horrific shooting at UVU has shaken all of us here in Utah Valley. As a former dean of the Woodbury School of Business, the father of a daughter who was in class on campus that day, and one who has friends and loved ones who are students and employees on campus, this tragedy just feels deeply personal. Now, as the English poet John Donne once wrote, "No man is an island, entire of itself. Every man is a piece of the continent, a part of the main. If a clod is washed away by the sea, Europe is the less." His words remind us that we are bound together, and when one of us is hurt, we all feel the pain. Nordicom proudly stands arm in arm with the women and men of Utah Valley University. Now, last month, hatred appeared on the UVU campus, but hatred did not take root, nor does it define UVU. What defines UVU is you, its students. You are the ones who show up every day, determined to learn, to grow, and to develop competencies and capacity. You are the ones who stay up late at night, fueled by too much caffeine, but continuing that growth towards your degree. You are the ones who balance family and friends and work and community as you progress towards your degree. You are UVU, and you always will be. Please know that the faculty, the staff, the students of the Nordic College of Osteopathic Medicine, we stand with you. You are our sisters and brothers in higher education. We admire your resilience, your grit. We honor your determination. Long after the headlines fade and the cameras go away, UVU will be remembered for your character, your competence, your compassion. We believe in you.
Hello, I'm Clay Christensen, president of Mountainland Technical College. At MTech, we believe our greatest strength lies in our people. What makes our state, and Utah County in particular, so special is the way people care for one another. We look out for our neighbors, we lift each other up, and we stand together in difficult times. I see it every day on our campuses. A staff member who stays late to make sure a student has what they need to succeed. Students rallying around a classmate who's struggling, offering encouragement and friendship. Faculty members who go the extra mile, sometimes in ways that are never recognized publicly, because they want every student to know that they are valued. And countless small acts of kindness that remind us of the goodness that runs through our community. This everyday spirit of generosity and care is now visible to a worldwide audience. as we rally around one another in the wake of an awful tragedy in our backyard. Together, we will continue to support one another and move forward with compassion and strength. To all of the MTech community and to our brothers and sisters at Utah Valley University, please know that we stand with you.